Here we're going to be demoing the Auto Repair Shop front desk bot that comes built in with GridSpace, which is a bot that callers can call into to ask simple questions about their car or schedule an appointment to bring a car into your auto repair shop. And so in this case, it'll schedule with Google Calendar, but it could be any scheduling system that you use for your shop. And to use this, we just chose the built-in template, configured our scheduling system credentials so it could talk to our scheduling system, changed the name of our company in the bot, and then added a phone number so we can dial in. And so I'll go ahead and use my phone to call in right now, and we can listen to how the conversation sounds.
Thanks for calling Top Shop Auto Repair. My name is Grace. How can I help you?
Hi, the check engine light is on in my truck, and I'm trying to figure out why, so I was hoping to bring it in.
Okay, sure. We can definitely help with that. Do you want to set up a time to come into the shop?
Yeah, that works.
All right, then. Great. First, I'll need to get some basic information from you, and then we can look at setting up a time for you to come in. Can I get your full name, please?
Yeah, it's Adam Miller.
Okay, great. And what is the make and model of the car?
It's a 2018 Toyota Tacoma.
Thanks. Okay, give me 1 second while I look up our opening. Tell me when you're available, and I'll try to find a matching appointment.
Do you have anything Saturday morning?
Let me see what I can find. Like I've got tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning and 11 o'clock in the morning. Which one of those would you like?
The 10:30 is fine.
Got it. So tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning works for you, is that correct?
Yep, that's right.
Great. All right, let me go ahead and reserve that appointment. Okay, just reserved that time for you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there anywhere special I have to go when I arrive?
You can just pull into the customer parking when you arrive. It's located right out front.
Okay, I think that's it then.
Is there any? Okay, great. Have a nice day, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
And so now, if we go into our calendar, we should see that I've reserved a spot at 10:30 on Saturday, as I asked for, and we can see some details about what went on. And so it registered I need to figure out the check engine light issue, and then it also has the year and then the make of the car. And so you can use this to answer questions or schedule appointments when you may not be available